Hi, Mom. Do you have a minute? I want to cook our family mushroom pasta for Anna tonight, but I don't remember the recipe.
Of course, it's very easy. First, you need some pasta, a few mushrooms, one onion, and a little garlic.
Okay, I think I have some pasta and a few mushrooms in the fridge. How many mushrooms do I need?
About 6 or 7 mushrooms. If they are small, you can add a few more.
Got it. What about the sauce?
For the sauce, you need a little butter, some cream, and a bit of salt and pepper. You can also add a little cheese if you like.
Sounds good. Do I need a lot of cream?
No, just a small amount. About half a cup is enough. You don't want the sauce to be too heavy.
And what should I do first?
First, cook the pasta in a large pot of water with a little salt. At the same time, fry the onion in a little butter.
Should I add the mushrooms after that?
Yes, add the mushrooms and cook them for a few minutes. Then pour in some cream and mix everything together.
That sounds easy. Do I need any herbs?
If you want, you can add a little parsley on top. It will give the dish a nice flavor.
Thanks, Mom. I hope Anna will like it.
I'm sure she will. Just don't add too much salt.